A big warning for Apple. What's up guys, we are back with the latest news. The iPhone 14 series is one of the most exciting phones of the year. A new design, a new camera, but there is something that could absolutely change everything for Apple if it's implemented. The end of Lightning port. Yes, members of the European Parliament this week have voted overwhelmingly in support of law that will force companies like Apple to offer a USB-C port on all iPhones, iPads and AirPods in Europe.
Come on, daddy, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, daddy.
Not just phones, this also applies to other tech products like laptops, video games, consoles, controllers. Pretty much everything has to use USB-C, a one universal port for everything, making life easier for everyone. Obviously, except Apple, because if this directive gets implemented, then Apple will have no choice but to sell iPhones with USB-C in Europe instead of their own Lightning port. Apple was planning to go portless with the iPhone 14 series, but as we know, that is not happening, and in fact, that might not even happen with the iPhone 15. But after hearing this news, Apple might try everything in their power to go portless on the iPhone 15 series. We'll hear more about this next month and see if it actually gets implemented or not, because they have to take like individual votes from individual European states, so we'll still see if the big nightmare for Apple eventually comes true or not. Now, before we get into the latest, exciting, surprising new findings regarding the iPhone 14's design, a big thanks to Pinecone for sponsoring this video. Guys, I found the easiest way to earn extra cash and gift cards. Instead of scrolling on my phone while I'm on a bus or waiting for my food to be cooked, or even when watching TV, I've started using Pinecone. Pinecone is a company that pays you for your feedback on products and brands. What makes them different is that this is an invite-only service. They have exclusive opportunities with guaranteed payouts. It's so easy to start, just sign up using my special link in the description. Once done, you'll receive a welcome email with your unique user ID. Pinecone will let you know whenever there's a survey opportunity available for you. You can start earning cash, movie ticket vouchers, or pick your reward on their website. It is the easiest way to make extra money, so make sure to click the link in the description to start now, and big thanks to Pinecone for sponsoring this video. Alrighty, so the iPhone 14 could have a special color. Like every year, Apple does this to make their new iPhone stand out, and this time it could be the new Sierra purple color in addition to graphite, gold, silver and purple. This leak is coming from a sketchy source, so take this with a grain of salt, but let me know what you think about this color in the comment section below. Now, this source also mentions that the iPhone 14 series will get a brand new True Tone flash in addition to a new camera setup. Also in the news, the iPhone 14 Pro's design could offer a 20% reduction in bezels. Apple is not just getting rid of the notch, they're also making sure that the bezels are slimmer, giving their iPhone a more futuristic look, but of course, it's not gonna look as clean as the design that we have on the S22 Ultra. Still, in my opinion, it's much better than having a notch. In other findings, the iPhone 14 Pro's design could have a slightly more rounded sides than the iPhone 13 series. Speaking of iPhone 13 series, Apple is killing the game when it comes to the sales. According to Korean media, Apple has increased the production of the iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max by 10 million units because of the increased demand. This is exactly the momentum that Apple needs before going full on deep with their iPhone 14 launch. So that's all of the latest news. Apple's future is looking a bit scary right now because of the new Type-C law that can make things very difficult. Let me know what you think about the whole situation. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.